Hey everyone! Today I've got some mind-blowing news from deep inside our planet. Scientists have just discovered two massive, continent-sized mountains, hidden approximately 1,200 miles beneath the Earth's surface. These colossal structures, known as Large Low Seismic Velocity Provinces, or LLSVPs, are located at the boundary between the Earth's core and mantle. Now, get this, these hidden giants are about 620 miles high, making them over 100 times taller than Mount Everest. One sits beneath Africa, and the other lies under the Pacific Ocean. Their discovery was made possible through the analysis of seismic waves generated by earthquakes. When these waves travel through hotter, denser regions like the LLSVs, they slow down, revealing the presence and characteristics of these mountainous formations. The fascinating part is that these structures are believed to be much older than the surrounding mantle. Researchers think they could be as old as 500 million years, possibly even dating back to the Earth's formation. Their composition is intriguing too. They seem to be made up of larger mineral grains and are significantly hotter. There's also an interesting theory about their origin. Some scientists suggest that these LLSVPs might be remnants of Theia, a Mars-sized planet theorized to have collided with Earth billions of years ago, leading to the formation of the Moon. The leftover material from Theia could have sunk into the Earth's mantle, forming these gigantic structures. Surrounding these hidden mountains is what scientists call a slab graveyard. This area is filled with sunken, colder tectonic plates that have a different seismic wave pattern compared to the LLSVPs. This contrast further highlights the unique characteristics of these mysterious mountains. Although we've uncovered some astounding details about these subterranean giants, there's still so much we don't know. Ongoing research aims to unravel the mysteries of their exact composition and origin, and to understand their role in Earth's dynamic history. That's all for today. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more incredible discoveries from the world of science. Thanks for watching.